Hey guys, how you all doing? So today is Saturday 29th, and I decided to celebrate my birthday with some ladies. So I'm inviting some ladies to my house and we'll be celebrating, we'll be cutting my cake officially. The one I had was just for the family, but this one I tagged this just us ladies, a time to fellowship. A time to fellowship. So we are just going to be chit-chatting as ladies and thanking God for our lives so far and praising God. So just keep watching this video because I thought to vlog it so that you can watch it and enjoy every bit of it. So I'm cooking jollof rice. I'm also making, okay, let me keep you posted. Keep watching. I just thought to just open the vlog officially. Welcome once again and thank you all for supporting this space. I really appreciate you. God bless you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Make sure you switch on the notification button. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Esther's Chronicles. You are welcome. Like I said, today is not my birthday actually, but it's the celebration of my birthday. Today I choose to celebrate friendship. I choose to celebrate love. I choose to celebrate God's faithfulness upon my life. So I'm telling you also, when you are alive, make sure you keep celebrating. Celebrate God, celebrate life. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Meanwhile, let me introduce you to the food that we have today. We have some fried yams. As you can see, we have some fried yams and plantain. We have fish, seasoned fish. We have seasoned meat. We have fried rice, jollof rice. We have some coleslaw and some turkey. So I'll just be doing the testing for you guys to know. You know, I love you and I chose to show you this part of the day. So the rice was made by me. It's tasty. The fried rice was made by my friend. Mega shout out to Sarah, aka Mrs. Johnson. Thank you. And this whole presentation was made by my friend Sarah. I love you, baby. Thank you. So, so guys, just keep watching. I'll be showing you how the day is going. So don't forget, I'm still all about the honorable's hair. Watch out for that my video. If you have not seen the video, make sure you watch the ending of this video. You will see the video. I did a product on the review of my hair and everything. And this drink, I love it. It's so nice. So thank you so much. Just keep watching. I'll be taking you along. God bless you. Make sure you are celebrating live.
Yes. Cheers. And happy birthday once again.
Thank you. Thank you all for being part of my life. Cheers. For making my stay in Switzerland worthwhile. Thank you so much. I have so much to say about you all, but I don't want to get emotional. So we'll just leave it. Maybe later when we are cutting the cake, we can talk more. But for now, Lady Pastor, let me leave you to take over. What do you want me to do? Lady Pastor, okay, with me, you have to be like anything that happens, just that. So, no, the game.
Okay, yeah, I was just thinking, well, because she called me just a few hours back, you know. So just thinking how, you know, to get to know each other a bit, you understand? So we do a little game, you know, so we all take one paper and you write two things about yourself. Don't show it to the other person, I beg you. Maybe like, you know, let's say I used to play basketball for 10 years. Something that somebody may not know, you know, something like, you know. So write two things about yourself, then fold it together and put it in the middle. And Esther will now pick it, you know. Okay. And say maybe we can help her against who is who. You know? So we all take.
Okay. I'm sorry, I did not introduce you. I'm sure everybody knows my Lady Pastor.
Oh my God.
Everybody knows that. I'm sorry.
We have seen each other.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Really? I think I see her face. Maybe one of the pictures.
On the part, no,
I
think I saw her
At
by.
my Sean's dedication.
No, this lady who sell pounded yam.
Okay, Mama Sonia.
Yeah, genau.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yes,
But sometimes I just don't remember the name.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, Lady Pastor, she's my friend. She lives in Dali. She also picked that cake. So thank you so much, ladies. Like I said, it's to celebrate friendship, it's to celebrate love, it's to celebrate the grace of God, it's to celebrate the beauty of womanhood. Like I'm seeing all of you, you're looking beautiful, and I thank God for your lives individually. Thank you for making my life better because each one of you contributed in a way in my life. I don't want to start saying it because I'll get emotional and I don't want to get emotional. But as I cut this cake, I just wish that we'll be united in love, we'll be united in peace, in harmony. And I thank you for coming to celebrate with me. I pray that the good Lord will bless you, Celebration will not cease in your home. Only good news shall I hear concerning you. And only good news shall you hear concerning me. The Lord will grant your heart desire. And I also want to encourage us, let's keep being who we are. Even though we are trying to be who we are, let's keep getting better, because there's always room to grow. So that's my wish, that we all celebrate more money in our pockets, more contracts, more businesses, in Jesus' name. Amen. Go up, una dey go open doors. Amen. So fam, let me show you some pictures. Like, these are just pictures when it was time to take pictures. Like taking pictures, and like I keep saying it, that the celebration is just to celebrate ourselves. It's not a big deal. I've already had my birthday party, but this was solely to celebrate friendship, like I said, and it was beautiful. Everyone that came really loved it. So let me introduce some of my guests. This is my lady pastor. I've known her from the one that I came to Switzerland. This is my very first friend, Edith, in Switzerland, and she's a family friend, and she's super, super amazing. Guys, even though it was friendship, I had 2 cake. This one was made by my friend Cynthia. I ordered it from her. So if you're in Switzerland and you want a cake, you can call her. She makes nice cake for birthdays. Think about it, any celebration. This one was a gift from Esther. She's my namesake. She came all the way from St. Gallen. She's a baker, and the cake was also very tasty. So if you're in St. Gallen and you want someone to bake your cake, please call on Esther Cakes by Ariel. The other one was my friend CY Cakes and Pie. So the CY Cake and Pie, can you see what's written on it? Honorable Esther. So it was just like that. It was amazing. Like, that's my lady pastor. And this is the Cynthia of the CY Cakes and Pie. Yes, this is my friend. I'm like, she's a sister to me also. Zainab is her name. This is Sister Tonia. She's an amazing sis and a woman leader in my church. Yes. Love you, Sister Tonia, and God bless you. Like, that's Edith also. Guys, meet Sarah. She's my very good friend, super supportive also. And that's the CY Cakes and Pie again. Cynthia, she's a godmother to my son also. That's Sister Felicia standing by, an amazing PhD holder. This is Esther, the lady with the long Brazilian hair. She's the one that baked the other cake. That is Anne. She's an amazing, happy soul. She's always smiling, life of the party. Sister Felicia, thank you so much for coming. God bless you. Yes, this is my friend Esther. I call her Palace Executive. So these ones, they stay till the end. And so at this point, some of my guests were already gone, but this my 2 amazing support system were still here, and some other people to help me tidy up. And then we decided to unbox the gift. Yes, we decided to unbox the gift together, letting know that I showed you the food, we showed you the games, we showed you everything, and I didn't show you my gifts. There's love in sharing. So almost everybody that came brought a gift, which I'm thankful for. Of a truth, I wasn't really expecting so much, but I had more than what I bargained for, and I'm super thankful for it. From the biggest to the lowest, I'm thankful. Ladies, May God bless your pockets and you shall never lack in Jesus' name. Thank you so much, ladies. So let's just unbox. I decided to voice over this part because I already made a blunder. So, and I decided not to even call them by names.
I will
because I
continue.
didn't
Sorry
want
for
to
the
be
breaking
saying
transmission.
this gave me
Good girl.
this
I'm
while
a
it was
good
the
girl.
other
Yes, I'm a
person.
good girl. Do you think I'm a
Just
good
keep
girl? Drop it
watching.
in the comment
Please
section.
subscribe
If
to
you
my
think I'm a
channel
good
if
girl.
you haven't.
And if you think
Click
I'm a
the
bad girl, drop it
notification
in the
bell
comment section.
so that you can be
Wow,
among
this
the
is so
first
nice. Wow, testing.
of those that will be
this
seeing
is
my
nice.
video
I
in the
love it.
nearest
Mega love shout
future.
out to
So
you,
keep
my
watching.
friend. I
Like
love
I
you.
said,
God
I
bless
got more than
everyone
what
that
I
gave me
bargained
gift.
for. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Guys, check this out. Oh my, this is nice. Check it out. I love it. Wow, this is very nice. I love it, guys. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Wow. So we still have so much. I'm blessed. I had, okay, guys, I invited about 14 people. And at the end of the day, I had about 12 people in the building. I'm so happy to have them around me. It couldn't have been better. The number was just perfect. Thank you. Wow. This packaging. Mega love shout out to you, my friend. If you see this video, just know that I love you. Okay, where's my scissors? Oh, where's my scissors? Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. So fam, like I was saying, please let's learn to celebrate ourselves. Don't wait until you hit the millions. Celebrate yourself. Always thank God for what you have, and that's what I'm doing right. Oh my God, I got myself a new sandal. Summer is here. Oh, this is so nice. I love it. Thank you. Mega shout out to you. Thank you. I love the packaging. Wow. Packaging is everything. Family. Packaging is everything. If you are a man, you want to give your wife something, please package it very well. If you are a man, if you are a woman watching me, you want to give your husband, even if it's a boxer, package it. But packaging is the longest. Wow, what else? So, fam, this is my birthday. Guess my age. If you know my age, drop it in the comment section. Just drop it in the comment section. Wow. Ooh, this is massive. When I say packaging is key, fam. Let's open. Let's see what we got here. Thank you so much to every of my friends that came around today. God bless you. God bless you. I love you all. Thank you for being part of my life. 10 years in Switzerland, almost 10 years. It couldn't have been better. Wow. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. Oh my God. Who is ready for summer? Summer is here. I got myself 2 dresses. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. So look out for me. Look out for me. One of this Sunday, I'll be wearing this to church. You know how I like to show you my outfit to church. Oh gosh, this this is so nice. Oh, it's a dress, guys. Oh, this is nice. God bless you. God bless you. Big sis, I love you. Thank you for sending this to me. Thank you so much. Oh, mega love shout out. I just got myself 2 dresses. Oh, fam, please. My friends are celebrating me while I'm alive, and I'm grateful to God. Please learn to celebrate your friends when you're alive. Learn to celebrate people. Learn to celebrate yourself. Let's be thankful. Let's be thankful for the little things we have. Oh my goodness. Oh, 2 dresses. God bless. God bless you, big sis. Thank you so much. Oh, guys, we can go on. I still have some. This is a beautiful wine. I don't feel like opening this. Just know that it's a wine. I don't want to open it. I want to preserve the packaging because I love it. I love it, guys. And this one, I work, so I got this one for my place of work. They gave it to me with a card. They gave it to me since last week. I just decided to keep it to today so that I can share this moment with you guys. Okay, this one was for my big boys. This is for my big boys, yes. So it's a family outing to the zoo. This was for my big boys. God bless you, my big boys. I love you guys. And this one was for my office. For my office where I work. So there's also a card, guys. Please, the whole essence why I decided to vlog this is that I want to document this moment because it means a lot to me. I've been 10 years in Switzerland, and the Lord has kept these women in my life to bless me. I mean, when I had my baby dedication, they were there for me. So many times, these ladies were there for me. And I couldn't have done it better this year. So this was from one of my girlfriends also. Mega love shout out to her. And what else do we have? Okay, the last but not the least. So one of my girlfriends did a tattoo on her eye.
And I asked her like 2 months ago what was the cost of the tattoo, and she told me. And she said she was going to gift that to me as my birthday. And I'd be like, that's a lot of money. She said, if you want, I will give it to you. But it's painful. So she told me that she wasn't going to book it. She would give me the money so I can decide if I want to. But she told me it's painful. So I'm just think, should I do it or no? Because the money now is tempting me. Guys, this money can buy land in some places in Nigeria. And she come and use it to go and tattoo. I have to think about it. What do you think? Should I go for the tattoo or I should invest this money?
No, go invest the money.
I'll think about it. But thank you, sis. Mega love shout out to you. Oh my God. That's birthday so far. So far, we've come to the end of this video. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, see, I love this material. That's why I'm still, okay, let me put it here. If you enjoy watching this video, make sure you like the video, share if you can, tell a friend to tell a friend about Esther's Chronicles. God bless you. Don't forget, the whole essence of this video is for you to celebrate. Celebrate your friends, celebrate your loved ones. God love you and I love you too. God bless you. Till I see you in my next video. It's your girl, Esther. It's your girl, Esther.